Today we're on the Central Coast. We're at Grover Beach Elementary, home of the Golden Gophers, and we're here to
Do the math!
And we're back with students from Grover Beach Elementary. We've got 4th graders and 6th graders in here. And here we're going to go over some terminology as we're working with these 3-dimensional shapes. All right, so with you and your partner, let's look at these together. So it says they can be described in 3 different ways. Faces, all right, the sides of the shapes. So do you guys see where the faces are? Just like when you made the cube earlier, the sides that you were looking at, those are the faces. All right, the vertices are the corners. All right, you guys see where the vertices are? Those are the corners of the object. And then the edges, that's where the faces meet. So when the two come together and you click them together, that's the edge. Are you guys all good now?
Yeah.
So use that as a reference, and now I have a challenge for you. So, are you ready for the challenge?
Yes.
All right. So before you could build anything you wanted to and just kind of see how these worked. Now you're going to have to build exactly what this wants you to. It's only going to tell you how many edges, how many vertices, and how many faces it has. You then have to make that object. Are you ready? All right. So we're going to give you that one. Not yet. We're going to have competition. You got it right, sister. Here we go. All right. So you're going to get that one. And we're going to give you guys this one. All right. So here's what we're going to do. Working together as a team with your partner. All right. You want to take a look when I tell you to, what the challenge is, and then start working on it. You have your reference paper here so that you can remember what the faces are, the vertices, and the edges. I only have one question for you. Are you ready?
Yeah. Yes.
Really ready?
Yes.
Definitely ready?
Yes. Yeah.
Do you want to wait any longer?
No.
Then go!
It's an octagon. Okay. No, it's a cube, actually.
8 edges. Yeah, it's cube.
Are you sure it's a cube just by looking at that? You better make sure.
Faces.
How many faces does this cube have?
This one has...
Here, well, it doesn't show all of them, so let's
It has 5, so it'd actually be us.
They have 4.
And they have...
Yeah, they have 4 faces.
And they need 4 vertices, which are the corners,
So start building something.
so we have this, so... Not actually...
So remember, what you're doing is you're laying out a net, and then when you fold it up, you want to see if it will produce what... So you want to build something that's going to have 8 edges, 5 vertices, and 5 faces. So here's a clue. If it has 5 faces, how many pieces will there be?
5.
5. Right? So you know there's not going to be any more than 5 pieces.
So we could use squares. No, because that...
That's what you guys are going to have to decide on.
I don't know if this is right. Let's count them. So it needs to have 8 edges.
1, 2, 3, 4... Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5...
The cube has 6. And it's not right because the cube has 6 faces.
Oh my god.
Right, see, the cube has 6 faces, you only want 5. So can it be a cube?
No.
No, can't be a cube.
How about this?
You're done? Let's take a look at what you guys did. All right, so let's see if it satisfies it. First of all, let's start with the easy part. 5 faces.
1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Perfect. 5 vertices.
1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Perfect. 8 edges.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Perfect. So you satisfied that. What is that called?
A pyramid.
What type of pyramid? Look at the base. What shape is that?
Square.
So it is a
Square pyramid.
square pyramid. There you go. Nicely done, boys. You have completed that. You may go ahead and work on any other shape you like.
What is it?
All right, so the students in 4th and 6th grade are working at this from Grover Beach Elementary, working on the 3D shapes, practicing a little bit with determining faces, vertices, and edges to come up with the exact. And what is that? What type of pyramid is it? So here's how you can tell. Look at the base. So we know it's a pyramid. And when you want to know what type it is, look at the base. What shape is that?
A triangle.
So it's a triangular pyramid. Nicely done. You guys have satisfied that. 6 edges, 4 vertices, and 4 faces. Nicely done with the students from Grover Beach Elementary.